Welcome to Thinkplus Education. In this video, we will see the next model in the percentages, how to simplify the percentages values. Let's say sometimes they give you 2-3 percentages values. We need to simplify and calculate. So if I take a simple question here, 24% of 50 plus 70% of 80 is equal to X. What is your answer? Okay. First, I should calculate what is 24% of 50, then 70% of 80. How do you calculate? We have a lot of ways to calculate this one. We calculate 24% of 50 means we use 24% means by 100, off means into 50. 50 how many times? 2 times. 2 how many times? 12. So this value I got it as finally 12. Here 70% of 80. So I can take 75% means off means in 80, 0, 0, 0, 0, 7, 8 are 56. 12 plus 56, what is your answer? 68. This is one of the ways, but please no need to solve it in this way only. You can solve in the other way. How I do is, I'll try to do it in the other method. I know 10% is 5. In 50, 10% is 5. I know 20% that is 10. 1% is 0.5. 4% means 4 into 0.52. This value is 12. Here 70% of 80. In this 80, 10% value is 8. How many tens we have? 7. 7 8s are how much? 56. This is 56. This is 12. 68. Multiple ways you can do, but especially for students who are preparing for management entrance exams, please be very careful of using less calculation and try to do a lot of things with your brain. Okay. Now let me see. Let me give you one more question here. 860% of 50 and 50% of 860. Okay, pause the screen and answer this question and again look at. So if you look at here, this question is 860% of 50 and 50% of 860. So here it is given like A percentage of B and B percentage of A. So please understand A percentage of B and B percentage of A, both the values are same. How they are same? Just simply take a simple calculation. I calculate 20% of 80. On the other side, I'll calculate 80% of 20. So 20% of 80 means in 80 what is 10%? 8. Yes. In 20% 16. 80% of 20. In 80% 10% means 2. How many tens we have? 8. 8 2s are 16. Both the values are same. So that means this value is as same as this value. Here also 860% of 50 is as same as 50% of 860. I calculate one value, I'll make it double. I know 50% of 860. 50% is nothing but half of 860. What is half of 860? This value will become 430. If this is 430, this is also 430. Total answer is 860. Okay. Now let's look at this question. 90% of 140 is one thing is given, and 18% of 50 and 24% of 25 into question mark. Now I want to simplify. Either you can calculate the percentages and make it done. Otherwise, before you calculate the values, I'll try to cancel as many things as possible. I'll cancel here. Let's cancel percentage, and 25 how many times? 25 here 2 times, and 2 in 24 how many times? 12 times, and 6 3s are 6 2s are 2, and 2 this is 70 times. I left with 90% of 70 into here 3 left into 3. On this side everything got cancelled, only question mark left, question mark. What is 90% of 70? 10% of 70 is 7. 90% means simply you can remove 10% from this value, because out of 100% I want 90%. I simply remove 10%. That means this value is 63 and this is 3. 63 into 3 how much? 289. So 289. 189. 189 is B for Bombay. Okay. Now let's look at this question. What is the approximate value? This time they're asking not exact value, approximations. Whenever this approximation questions are given, you can take the nearest percentage fractional value also. Here 42.86%. If someone who is very thorough about 1 by 1 to 1 by 15 percentages, those people can do this question very well. Otherwise, they will face a lot of difficulty here. I know 42.86. I know that 1 by 7 is 14.28%. In case if you are not able to solve this question, before you come for this question, look at the previous videos also, and also start looking at 1 by 1 to 115 all the percentages. So 1 by 7 is 14.28. I know that 3 by 7 is nothing but 42.85%. Approximately 42.86 is given. I replace this 42.86 with the 4 by 7. 3 by 7 of 8.33%. 16.66 percentage is nothing but 1 by 6. Okay, but half of 16.66 is 8.33. That means this is half of 1 by 6. Half of 1 by 6 is not 1 by 3. Half of 1 by 6 is 1 by 12. Half of 1 by 6 is 1 by 12. Here I write 1 by 12. Okay, into, half means into 336. So this is the simplified value of this one. Now let's look at this one also. 83.33 percentage. If you know that 16.66 percentage is 1 by 6, 83.33 percentage is nothing but 5 by 6. Half means into 27.27. You know 27.27, 1 by 11 is nothing but 9.09 percentage. 27.27 is nothing but 3 by 11. I write here 3 by 11. Half means into 264. Okay, let me erase all these things. Okay, so this is the second value. Minus 133.33. 33.33% is nothing but 1 by 3. 100% is 1. Total 1 plus 1 by 3 will become 4 by 3. I am taking 100%. 100% value is nothing but 1. 33.33% fractional value is 1 by 3 into 54. 3 how many times? 18. 4 into 18, 72 is this value. And here let's cancel. 11 2s are, 11 4s are 24. 6 how many times? 4 times. 4 5s are 20, 23s are 60. This is 60 minus. And here I need to calculate this value. So let's see. So this is 12 I cancel. 12 2s are 24. If 24 has got 96, 12 8s are 96. 7 how many times? 4. 4 3s are 12. And this symbol is 12 plus 60 minus 72. 12 plus 60 is nothing but 72. 72 minus 72, answer is 0. Okay. Who can answer this question? Again, I'm repeating, one who is good at 1 by 1 to 1 by 15. Even if you're preparing the toughest management and entrance exam, please understand these basics are very essential.